Hey YouTube and DevOpsers. So recently I've been getting a lot of requests for how do I exactly delete so many AMIs and so efficiently. So I thought I would do just a quick tutorial on my approach to solving this problem, and I'm going to show you how it's done, or at least how I do it. So, not exactly sure what your purpose is for deleting all these AMIs, but this tutorial is intended to show you how to quickly blow away every AMI that you have in your AWS account. So whether you're looking to be your own chaos monkey, or you just hate AMIs, or you're a dick like me and just want to blow them all away and watch the DevOps engineer on call lose his shit and trying to scramble to figure out what the fuck is going on, where the fuck are all my AMIs. So, with all that said, I'm going to show you how it's done. First of all, you can navigate over to GitHub and check out this Golang package that I have made, Ultimate AMI Destroyer. So, just briefly looking through this, you can see in the README here a couple of dependencies and notes. Make sure that you have Go installed, AWS account, export the AWS account ID to your path, and last of all, you got to be a huge dick in order for this to work. So if you have all of that, you're pretty much set. So in your project, basically you're going to import it, and you're going to call this crush AMI method along with your account number. So let's see how this is actually done. So over here I have a little project that I've made. It's a pretty simple project, and so what are we going to do in order to get this going? So just at a bare minimum, I'm going to show you. Let's start off by, so I mentioned we needed to export an account ID. So this is the simplest way I found to do that. Let's go ahead and make a variable. We're going to need a package. It's a native Go package, just called OS. In the initialization of your script is usually the best place to put these things. You're going to get from the environment, that environment variable I was telling you. This is just the best practice to always get it from environment variables as opposed to hard coding them in. So let's get started now that we've got at least an account ID in there. So my main function, these automatically get triggered and go after the initialization. I'm basically going to write some sort of simple function that's called remove AMIs, and then I'm going to pass it that variable that we've already initialized. That's our account ID from the local environment. So let's go ahead and write that function and see how simple this really is. So we're going to need to, as I mentioned, import that GitHub repository. It allows us to do all this magic. So you can import the Ultimate AMI Destroyer just like that. And let's write that function. So remove AMIs, it's going to take as an argument the account ID that you passed in, and then you're going to refer to the Ultimate AMI Destroyer package. You want to basically call the method crush AMIs, and as I mentioned, just pass that account ID on in there. And that is really it. I mean, this is going to blow away every AMI that you have when this runs, and you won't have any more in your entire account. Doesn't matter what region or anything else. I mean, if it's an AMI, it will find it and destroy it. So once you have this script all put together, I'm going to show you over here. So if we check out my environment just to prove to you that I have that AWS envar exposed. All right, so just looking at this project here, it's very simple, just a basic one setup. Go ahead and build that project. Now you'll notice we have an executable in there. So let's go ahead and call that, and really that's it. You're just going to execute that script and boom, all of those AMIs are now gone. So for that account number, you have 0 AMIs left. It is that simple. So hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Have fun destroying AMIs like I do, and remember to be a dick.